Hey there YouTube, Francehopper here. It's Thursday, March 25th. Happy spring, and spring has sprung with Maido in a box. Yep, Volume 9's here. Let's see what we have inside this month. Alright, so let's take a look at what we have inside Volume 9 Deluxe, which is spring colors as the theme. Or colors of spring, rather. So, here's a look at what we have inside for the standard stuff. Of course, I will go ahead and scan these in and put a link in the description so you can get a better look at them. Looks like we have some good standard equipment. And here's what is in the Deluxe kit. It looks like there's a good amount of stuff in there, so it looks like we've got some watercolors and such. Very cool. Let me set those cards aside, and let's go ahead and rip this open. And it looks like probably 3 bags again. So here we have the freebies for this month. And let's see, this looks like the Deluxe stuff for this month. And I think this is all of the standard stuff. So, let me go ahead and open these up, and we'll take a better look at everything, starting, of course, with the extras for the month. Alright, so here's a look at the extras for this month. Some pretty simple stuff. We have a very nice little Maido in a box ink pot with some sakura blossoms in there, or cherry blossoms. Very cool, very timely for spring. They're starting to come out here in Portland. We have a Pentel High Polymer Eraser. There we go. I have one of these already, actually a larger one. They're a pretty nice eraser. They don't smudge very much, so I definitely like that. We have some MT washi adhesive tape. Looks like pretty much some simple red masking tape. And the ink of the month is from Pilot. We have an Iro Shizuku Tsukushi, which is kind of like a brownish earthen color, it looks like. Alright, let me set those aside and we'll take a look at what you get in the standard box next. Alright, so here's a look at everything that comes in the standard kit. First off, from Kokuyo, we have a 1.3mm Enpitsu Sharp, which is basically a mechanical pencil with lead that's a lot thicker than normally I would use, so that would be interesting to play around with. From Tombow, we have a Mono Nock 3.8mm, which is essentially an eraser that you can click out as if it were like a pencil. From Sakura, we have a Micron 0.1mm black pen. It looks like that. Also from Sakura, we have some Koi coloring brush pen set. Very spring-looking color there. From Pentel, we have an Aquash water brush pen. And then we have a color palette slant tray from Jack Ritchieson. From Uniball, we have a Signo white pen. And finally, from Strathmore, we have a Vision watercolor notebook set. So let me set that aside, and we'll take a look at what you get in the Deluxe kit next. Alright, so here are all of the items that you get in the Deluxe edition. First off, from Kuretake, we have a Gansai Tambay 12 color set 2, which looks like a watercolor paint palette already set up for you. From Tombow, we have a Fudenosuke Hard Brush Black. From Daniel Smith, Masking Fluid with Applicator. No idea what you'd use this for, because I haven't painted since middle school. From Princeton, we have a Snap Flat Shader Brush. And from graphics, a rubber cement pickup eraser. So there you have it. That's everything in Volume 9 Deluxe of Maido in a Box. Thanks for watching.